Let's get this one done down here. This one, we're going to come over here, higher, right here, and more down to that one. So it was a short pull up to the corner, and then this one was longer. And then we filled in over here, so it went down this angle. See that? Okay. Pulling into the point's working really well too. Over to this point, following it in. And then we're going to get long here. Pull it in. You don't have to come up to the corner here for this one, so we're going to just start letting it go where it wants, fading off and pulling in. You notice I'm doing this one a little bit different. I like this style better. Scoring it this direction instead of pulling out from the point. And another spot right there. Isn't that quick? Ta-da! All you have to do is cover it and done. So let me get set up on this. We are going to do some piping so you can watch. All right, this is off center. Before that royal sets, we're going to set it straight. Get this out of your way. All right, number 2 tip. Actually, it's a number 2.5 tip. It is my PME tip. Susan sells these. They are seamless. They don't rust. They're stainless steel. They are called a nozzle in Europe, and this is where they come from, is Europe, and they are the best you can get. Made in Korea. So for your very detailed work that you want, just perfection when you're going for competition, use your PMEs, invest in them. They'll last for a lifetime. You can hand these down generations and generations, where these will last as long as the water's touching them. Anytime you get rust on them, you can't clean them up, toss them. Okay, so let me show you the C scrolls and the S's. These are small. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right here at the point. Whoop. Don't want that to happen. You're going to clean the tip off to keep the tip clean all the time. So build. Finish and press. And then we want to do a C. Okay. And this is just a reverse. It's random, whatever you want, but to get them as close as you can. And this is royal icing. Now the S can go the same direction, or you can reverse it and go a different direction. So let's go a different direction. Backward S, reverse C. Let's do a backward S. This really is a challenge to get you good at your piping skills. I've got my elbow set down here and I'm struggling, so I'm like, I gotta lift my arm up off of this so I can float better. Let's do a C here. Try and be consistent on your sizes. Alternate the C's and the S's. This goes so quick. Put one here. Okay. My royal is a little soft, but it's pretty. I could actually go down even smaller on this tip, but I want you guys to see the detail. Let's do a reverse C here. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on both tiers for this. And once I get that all done, we're going to move on to the ruffle roses and ruffling that's going to be on the lower cake. Stunning. So we'll be back.